Have you ever been in a situation where your friends have told you that you are at fault with a man harassing you? So, this is what happened with me a few years ago, and that's why I stopped hanging out with that group. And in fact, now I have very, very few people that I can say are my friends. So, I was at a party and I knew everybody there. And we also knew that there's this one guy who has a reputation for getting drunk at every party and harassing all the women. So this evening, I was the chosen victim, where he got drunk. I was sitting alone at a table. He came and he blocked my way and he said, I want to apologize for something. I was rude to you at the previous party and I need to talk to you. And I just said, hey, listen, apology accepted. There's nothing to discuss. And I looked really uncomfortable because he was blocking my way. And I just quickly excused myself. And I was trying to find my friends. 2-3 times he came and he again tried to block my way. So I really started feeling uncomfortable at this point. I quickly located my friends and I told them what was happening. And what they said, like their response scared me. Actually, it surprised me that they were like, babe, you need to fix your vibe. Because he would not dare to come up to me and say something like that. In that moment, I realized like these people who I call as my friends are actually not my friends. Because immediately, instead of having that instinct to protect me or create distance between that person and me, they immediately just started blaming me and my vibe and telling me how I'm not assertive enough and strong enough. And I feel like maybe that was a conversation for a different time. But at that moment, like if my friend had come up to me to tell me something like this, my every instinct would be to protect her from the person who is harassing her. But that was not the case. They did not want to intervene. The host of the party, to whom I informed, why did you invite this person, did not want to just take any responsibility for this person's behavior, knowing that he has done this before. I just left with a bad taste and I said, you know what, if these people's standards are so low that they can accept this terrible person at every party, then these are not people worth having in my life. What do you guys think? Let me know.